Hi guys, I hope you're well. I'm going to show you how you can get ranked in under 3 minutes, how you can get all the keywords that will be easy to rank in under 3 minutes. So what you can do is follow this video, go and follow it and use the keyword tool that I suggest, and you'll have a whole list of keywords that will make it really easy to rank and get traffic. And this is a really good method to use with Clickbank. You can use it with anything, but it works really well with Clickbank. So I'm going to show you. Here's the key thing before we get into it, because it's a really quick method, but I'd be doing you a disservice if I didn't tell you this. You do need to know how to do SEO. You do need to know how to build a site, and you need to know what to put on it and make sure that you get a good click-through rate and how to track your ranking and set it all up. So if you don't know how to do that, or if you're interested in learning, or if you're just interested in getting the latest way of doing it, the way I actually do it, do check out the link below. It will take you through to this page, and this is the page for the Clickbank mega site training. In a nutshell, what you'll get with the training is a complete step-by-step of how to research, how to pick, and how to get the best keywords for a Clickbank product, and then exactly how to build the site, how to write the content, and how to get ranked. So do check it out. There's a video here that will explain everything. So this video will explain everything you get, and here's everything you get inside in written form as well. Step by step niche selection, keyword selection, checking competition, writing content, other affiliate programs, and a plan of action. So once you've been through that course, you'll be able to get going and start making some money. And if you use it in conjunction with this video, it will work really well for you. So do check that out. There's not a lot of time left on the clock, and it's on a 50% discount. So at the minute you can get in for a 50% discount. Do check it out below, and you can get in straight away, and all the information's there ready to go through with a full guarantee as well. Okay, so here we go. A really simple thing that you can do to get a full list of keywords that are easy to rank for. For this video, an example, I'm just using the smoothie diet. It's good product, good gravity and so on, but that's not what this video is about. I've just really picked it out as an example, as a top selling Clickbank product, so I can show you this. So the keyword tool I'm using here is called Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is really good, but it is expensive, so I haven't got a paid membership with them. If you've got a paid membership with them, this will work even better because you'll get far more keywords, but you can set up a free account and they give you quite a few keywords. Here's what you want to do. Any keyword, starting with the product name, so I've just typed in smoothie diet, but it will also work with any keyword. Make sure that you've got the language location correct. Here's how simple it is. Let's say you've got a site and you've put your review on there and you're looking for keywords and you want to see the best ones that you can rank for. You can go for the top ones, smoothie diet and so on, all of these. But an easy way, so you actually get all the really easy ones to rank, is just remember this. SEO difficulty, click on medium. Here we go, all the medium ones that are there that are easier to rank with all of the search volumes. And you can also go for easy instead of medium, and all of them there. Okay, now you do have to juggle about a little bit with the keywords when you're doing this, because you obviously want to make sure that you're still getting decent searches. I'd say anywhere over 500 is well worth going for, and these are still worth going for further down the line, but you want to go for anywhere 500 so you can broaden your key phrases a bit if you're not getting the search volume. But what it will do is, let's say you have a site and you've got your review on there, it gives you a really simple way of getting all the key phrases that you want and knowing. Look at some of these. So some of these, I mean, it's not a huge amount of searches, but some of these have only got 33 SEO difficulty, 9, 7, and when we go to the medium, you can see even medium is 9,900 searches and only 46 SEO difficulty. So if you start your site targeting those key phrases, you'll be able to get ranked a lot quicker. The other thing that you can do is looking at the related key phrases here. You can see all of these, and if I put it back on easy, you can see 1,000 searches for recipes for smoothie diet and only 12 in SEO difficulty. Now this number isn't a be all and end all. I know it's only a tool, but it gives you a really good indication of what's easier to rank for, and then you can pick them as your first key phrases and start getting ranked easy. Obviously change it for the Clickbank product and the niche that you're targeting. And the other thing, as I say, you're going to need to know how to build sites anyway to be able to do this. It won't just happen. You need to know how to SEO and do it correctly. It doesn't mean you're guaranteed to rank just by writing anything. You need to know how to set it up. But if you want help with that, do check out the course below. It's got a bit longer with 50% off, and it will allow you to get in and start making some money by building SEO driven Clickbank sites that will rank. So there's a little tip for you. I hope you enjoyed it. It's nothing, I know it's only a keyword tool, but that option is normally left out. That will speed it up for you and allow you to get up and running quickly with the best keywords. Alright guys, and I'll see you in the next one.